Sagittarians, this is career, love, and general life reading for the month of December, and it will resonate from the time you are watching this video till December end. And there is one surprise tarot card exercise which is there for you all at the end of the video, and you need to be tuned, you need to stay tuned till then so that you can know what it is. It is something interesting. The first card is Two of Swords. So, Two of Swords has come in your career reading, and this tells that you are in any kind of dilemma. So, this dilemma can be anything related to your career life. You are having dilemma like how you have to get this promotion or get this new job, or what kind of idea you should go forward with, whether plan A or plan B you are not able to like come to conclusion, or you are not able to select any one thing. You are like torn between two things, between two situations, between two people. So you can understand, according to your situation, you can get what I am trying to say, that there is some kind of dilemma, some kind of conflict which is going on in your mind, and you have double minds regarding something. Regarding this is basically regarding your workplace, your career, your business, whatever place you are having your earning, there you are having some kind of dilemma how to go about things. Maybe you are not able to find that balance right now in the beginning of December or November end. So you are a little bit, confused state of, you are in that confused state of mind. But definitely when you go forward, and in the second week and third week of December, you will find your solution, you will find your answer. So that problem will go off. It is not a very major problem, but right now you are in a confused state, or maybe in December first week you will be in a confused state. The second card is the Star. The Star, what I see this card as is like your wishes are going to be fulfilled. So any wishes you were having right now or in the past regarding your career, your business, those wishes are going to be fulfilled. Now this is a card which gives tranquility, peace. So you will be at peace in your workplace. You will find everything according to you, everything in sync with how you feel, how you want. So you will feel like as if whatever you have manifested in the past, everything is coming, like it is becoming into a reality. So whatever you are thinking right now, and you will be thinking in December, in early December, it is going to manifest, and all your wishes are going to come true. And you might even get some new business proposal, some new idea might come up to you, or maybe someone is going to give you some idea or some suggestion, or maybe some advice which is going to help you. And if you are looking for a new job, then also you will be successful. Then the third week, it is Eight of Wands. So Eight of Wands denotes that in the third week you will go forward with your idea, and whatever projects you are currently doing, or you will be starting in December, you are going to act upon them. Like this is the action card, where this is, I think this is your energy. Sagittarians are fiery signs, so Eight of Wands denotes fire energy. You will be in that full fire mode, you will be on fire, you will be on charge of everything, and you will feel like, okay, this is the correct time. I'm not going to procrastinate anything. I'm going to do whatever is required right now itself. I'm not going to waste my time. So you will be like going towards your goals with all your energy, and it is a very positive energy. It is action, and action is required. When you want to implement your ideas, you need to act upon that, and this card denotes that. Then 10 of wands is the energy by the end of December. So what will happen is, because of all these new projects or whatever uh, goals you have set for yourself, because of those goals you will feel a little bit of burdenized in your workplace. You'll feel that you have lot of responsibilities on your self, and you have to accomplish many things. But don't feel that thing, don't think about all those responsibilities at the same time. You are going to achieve, you just break them into small goals, and then one by one, step by step, you can achieve everything. Don't feel burdenized, Sagittarians. Don't feel that you have to complete so many things, like, and don't try to be like impatient, that okay, I have to do it right now itself. Don't be like that. You can just relax yourself, one by one you can do it, so that whatever you are doing is done with perfection, and your energy is not wasted in redoing it. Sometimes whatever you have already done, you might waste your energy again, because you have not done it with like perfection, or the way it should have been done. Then there is soulmate card for you all. So someone you have already met, or someone you are already going to like, you are in a committed relationship with them, or maybe you are going to meet this person in December. This person is your soulmate. Now I would like to read, like, soulmate, what does that mean? And soulmate, like, according to uh, this romance angels Doreen Virtue, what she says is, and even what I feel is, that soulmates are not necessarily people with whom you are going to be all in a love relationship. They can be in any form, as your father, as your friend, as your mother, as your sister. They can be anyone who is on the same spiritual path as you, and they know how you feel in certain situations. They understand you better. Sometimes soulmates are also people who teach you some kind of lessons, who help you grow personally. So these kind of people also come into the category of soulmates. So you are going to be in that soulmate energy in the month of December. So you might meet your soulmate. It is possible that this soulmate is your partner, and you might marry this person. So this can also become a relationship. This can also turn into a relationship. I'm saying this because of this engagement card which came up for you, Sagittarians. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So this is applicable even if you're married. To next level you are going, maybe you are planning a child, so this is going to some next level. So whatever position right now you are in, whether you are single, you have just started your relationship, you are in a committed relationship, you are married, whatever position you are in right now, you are going to go one step more. You have to ascend to a higher level of commitment. Then for some of you, if your relationship is not, you are not like happy right now in your relationship, this is because of deception. Someone is wearing a false mask, someone is not truthful, and this is hampering your relationship. So it is possible that this is you are that person who is wearing that false mask, or this is someone you are interested in, or you are already in a relationship with this person is not telling you the truth, or you are not revealing them the truth. You are portraying yourself, or maybe that person is portraying themselves as someone else, but you are not telling the truth. So I think that truth should be revealed. That is what this card indicates, that if you are you know uh, decepting someone, then you need to stop doing that, because this kind of relationship won't go much, for much more time. It won't stay that much, and definitely it is going to end if you are not going to be truthful in your relationship. Then for some of you who are searching for a soulmate, who are searching for your partner, you can let your friends help you. This card is coming up for most of the sun signs. I don't know why, but I think in the month of December, friends are going to play a vital role in everyone's love life. I think friends are going to, they are going to organize some party or some event, and you're going to go there and you are going to meet someone special. I think this is a possibility. And definitely in December there is Christmas, New Year, so many parties will be there, and definitely you can find someone, and your mutual friends can help you in that relationship. Then the card, first card in the life as general, was Three of Cups. So this is celebration time, partying time for you in the month of December, as I already told you. If you are single, you might meet someone, and if you are in a committed relationship, then also you are going to enjoy with your partner. So happy moments. But for some of you, Three of Cups might also mean some third party situation. So third party situation means some third person, some love triangle might go on, and this can affect your relationship. It can be true for some of you. So you need to be vigilant. And if that is the deception card also came, so quite possible someone is not telling you the truth. So this is like an indication, so you need to be cautious, Sagittarians. Then the second card was Five of Staves, that is Five of Wands. So there will be some kind of conflict, but this is something very light-hearted, some kind of argument, maybe in a workplace or with your friends or families. You are going to argue a lot. There will be some discussion, some brainstorming session in your workplace, but this is going to help you. This is not going to become a very big conflict or a fight. It is not like that. It is something which is light hearted, and which is going to help you. Like, it is because you want some solution to there's some problem and you want a solution, then only you are going to discuss with the people, and this is that kind of energy, and it is going to help you. Then the third card was Four of Arrows. So this means that you have done a lot of hard work, and there were many obstacles in your life, and now you need peace, now you need to rest. So in the month of December you are going to take rest. So Sagittarians, whatever conflicts were there in the past, whatever problems were there in the past, even in your love life, in your career, those are going to come to an end, and you are going to relax yourself. You need to relax, Sagittarians. You need to replenish your energy. Then Ace of Coins. So Ace of Coins is stability. This is the stability card. Stability in financial matters, even in your personal life, in your family life. You need security, you need stability, and you are going to get that. Then the message is healthy lifestyle. So this says that eat a healthy diet, get adequate sleep, and exercise regularly for optimal health. So you need to exercise, Sagittarians. You are co-creating your health by following your inner guidance about lifestyle habits. I give your inner nudges to improve the way you eat, or to exercise or rest more often. So you need to rest, Sagittarians. My prodding isn't to nag you or rob you of pleasure. Rather, my urgings are in response to your prayers for higher energy levels, increased well-being, weight loss, and a happier mood. So if you want to be happy, you need to be healthy, Sagittarians. So this is the message for the month of December. So hit the gym, go to yoga, or whatever sports you like. You can do something, some physical activity, so that there is, and you need to eat healthy as well. So we will start the activity, the tarot card exercise, and you have to first think of any question, any query you are having right now in your life, regarding your love life, personal life, your career, anything. And I'm going to give you two options, two cards, and One will be card A, one will be card B, and you can select the card and that will be the answer to your problem. And I will give you the answer on my Instagram page, my Instagram handle, which is with the same name as Tarot with Snigdha. You can find everything in the description box, and it will be revealed in 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, it will be revealed on 16th or 17th of November. Then you can check and you can get the answer to your problem or whatever question right now you have in your mind. These are the two cards. This is card A and this is card B. Card A, card B. So you can select one card and I'm going to give the answer in my Instagram handle. So you need to follow me on Instagram. So I would like to hear how the reading went. Please like, share and comment and tell me how well the reading resonated. It encourages me. It really means a lot. So thank you, Sagittarians. Have a beautiful, blessed December.